Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do what's in my everyday makeup basket for the month of April. So I have products that I'm either project panning on, pan that palette, products that I am testing out, and products that I just wanted to play with this month. So if you're excited to see the products that I will be working on this month, then keep watching. So we're gonna start off on how I apply my makeup. The first thing here is the e.l.f. Eyelid Primer. This is super affordable and cheap. You can get at Target. I think it's literally about $1. The color I have is sheer. I'm not sure if they have other colors, but this is what I've been using as my eyelid primer. I honestly switched from the Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer to this one. I don't know if it was just a bad product for the Too Faced one for me, but it was just so liquidy. This one has been doing a much better job, definitely more affordable as well, so check it out and just add it to cart for your next Target pickup order or when you go into Target. Really good and affordable and works with my eyelid. Then I have a single eyeshadow in the shade Vanilla from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have definitely been going through a lot of my matte cream white eyeshadows. I have gone through some full sizes as well. Majority of my Pan That palettes, I have definitely gone through this shade. One of my favorite shades to set my eyelid primer. I use it for my brow bone all the way to the lid, and then I will apply kind of the different colors on top of it, but then I still have that kind of nice white kind of blended into the brow bone. So I love having something like this on hand and in my makeup basket as well. Pan That palette this year is my Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette in Pillow Talk. I have been working on this all year, and you can see definitely only have one major pan going on. Still working on this. I will say I am every now and then getting a little bored with it, but still chugging along. And I really like how wearable the eyeshadows are in this. Just kind of wish there was a little bit more shimmer shades in there. So moving on to the next thing I do is my foundation. So I put on a primer. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and I am almost done with this. I am literally down to the depths of it. I added this into my monochromatic project pan for April, so I will link that video up above. It just went out before this, but I should be able to finish this. And then when I finish that up, I do have another full size ready to go in there as well. The foundation that I should be able to complete for April is my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in the shade 3.5. I am so close to being done with this. I just need to be more adamant on using foundation more during the month. I'm now entering like my second trimester for baby number 2, so hopefully I'll have more energy to put on more full face of makeup and doing things. So things are opening more, and yeah, it should be a fun busy spring. So hopefully I will use my foundation and use that up. Concealer is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The shade I use is Light Neutral. It is my favorite. I am using it today. Majority of these products are on my face today, but I love this. I will link the video where I got it and show you guys kind of how I apply it. You definitely put a little bit on the back of your hand. Use a finger to dab it in. I would not go straight in with this big wand and apply it to your face that way. It will just be too much product, too much buildup. You will get creasing that way. So try a little dab on your hand and then apply it that way. Lately, I've really been using my cream highlighter. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in Pillow Talk. And I got this from a Charlotte Tilbury kind of Pillow Talk collection. I will link that video up above if you are interested. But I used this in the last month monochromatic project pan. Really have been enjoying using it. I'm surprised how much and how fast I'm using this product. There's only 0.4 fluid ounces in it, but I really like the way this looks on my skin. For powders, I'm using my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. So close to being done with this. I will have to restock probably this month. But it looks stark white, but it is completely translucent. About $3 for this whole thing. So really great powder for every day. And then when I want to kind of dress it up a little bit, I will reach for my Hourglass Volume 3 Ambient Lighting Palette. And I typically go for this dim light shade, which is what is setting my foundation today. Also have been using these blushes quite frequently. This one here is in Surreal Halo in Pure Effect. So I am using the pinky one today, and then my highlight is the diffused light. So that is what is going on my face today, and I've been reaching for this palette quite a lot this past couple months. For eyes, I am still working on 2 liquid eyeliners. One is the Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner, and I have tested it out against the Limelight by Alcone Perfect Eyeliner Pen. If you're interested in seeing that video kind of comparing the two, I will link it up above, but I am still working on these. They're still going pretty strong, so I'm not going to try out any other liquid eyeliners until I kind of finish those up. Brows, these are my 2 go-to at the moment. The Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. That is what's on my brows today. This is just a little spoolie guy that you just kind of apply into your brows, and that's all I do. I'm good to go. Kind of 1 or 2 swipes and you're good. Other days when I kind of want to try something a little different and spend a little bit more time on my brows, this is the Winky Luxe Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil, and it has a kind of like a triangle angled kind of liner that you just kind of brush into and draw on your hairs, and then it has a spoolie guy on the other side to kind of tame it out. But majority of the time I am using my Essence one. My current mascara right now is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It is what's on my eyes now. I will say it is definitely not my favorite. I'm noticing a lot of like little clump bumps at the top of my lashes. Not something I'm a super big fan of, and this is not waterproof. So I will be probably switching to another mascara here very soon, so stay tuned for that. And then my current lip combo is my Too Faced Birthday Suit lipstick that I have on my lips today, and then I top it with my Charlotte Tilbury Jewel liquid lipstick in Pillow Talk, and this is kind of what that combination looks like. I love these two together. Definitely have been wearing it very frequently and will continue to be doing that this month. But that is everything that is in my April makeup basket. What products are you guys using and working on this month? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, like with no